Learn how to edit the bitrate settings in OBS Studio on Windows 11 for optimized streaming and recording performance. Tailored to your internet speed and platform requirements. Click File and then select Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Output tab. Under Streaming, find the Video Bitrate field. Enter your desired bitrate or adjust using the arrows in increments of 50 kilobits per second. Click Apply and then OK to save changes. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.